Hi students, today's our topic is electrochemistry. So that is our new unit, electrochemistry, and we are just introducing the redox reactions, and I will give a worksheet based on quantitative equilibrium. So electrochemistry, today we will see some words which are very familiar for you, just to recall them. That is reduction, oxidation, what are redox reactions, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. So reduction, as you all know, reduction is addition of electrons. In other words, it is loss of oxygen and gain of hydrogen. So then what is oxidation? It is the removal of electrons, the gain of oxygen and loss of hydrogen. You can see here Fe2 plus, it was 2 plus 2 electrons were lost. Now one more electron is lost. So it is removal of electron. Now in simple way, how we can study? Oil rig. Oil means oxidation is loss of electrons, rig means reduction is gain of electrons. Now we have oxidation reduction reactions. How we can easily say this? Reactions in which both oxidation and reduction takes place together is known as oxidation reduction reactions. For example, we have combustion reaction, disproportionation reactions, single replacement or displacement reactions. These are examples where oxidation and reduction takes place together. You can see these examples here. In all this, see, both reduction and oxidation takes place. So these type of reactions are examples of redox reactions. Now, what are oxidizing agents and reducing agent? An oxidizing agent is a substance which oxidizes something else. So if you see this equation here, iron oxide, this oxygen is given to carbon, so it helps carbon to get oxidized. So iron 3 oxide is an oxidizing agent and it itself undergoes reduction. A reducing agent reduces something else and undergoes oxidation. Oxidizing agent give oxygen to another substance, and reducing agents remove oxygen from another substance. So what are oxidizing agents? Actually they undergo reductions themselves, and reducing agent they undergo oxidation themselves and act as, or you can say in another word, the one which undergoes reduction will always act as oxidizing agent, and the one which undergoes oxidation will always act as reducing agent. You can see here some questions. You have to write which is oxidized and which is reduced, which is a oxidizing agent and which is a reducing agent. So first you write which is oxidized and reduced, and near the oxidized one you will write it as, this will act as reducing agent. And definitions. This is just recalling of the old things which we studied. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you.